Don't borrow from friends or your bank until you hear this. These three apps can send you real cash directly to your Mpesa in under 5 minutes. I tested them all, and the result? Shocking. Today we're comparing Tala, Zenka, and the government-backed Hustler Fund. These are the most used mobile loan apps in Kenya right now. We'll rank them based on 3 key things: speed of disbursement, interest rates, and how easy it is to qualify. Stick around, I'll also show you how to apply, withdraw, and what to avoid. Let's start with Tala. This app is insanely fast. I opened the app, filled in my details, selected 10,000 KLange, and in under 3 minutes, I received the full amount directly to my Mpesa. Yes, you heard that right, less than 3 minutes. Next, we have Zenka. Here's the deal. Your first loan is interest-free, which is great, but it takes longer. Mine took around 25 minutes before the money hit my account. Still not bad, but not the fastest. Then there's Hustler Fund. It's from the government and it's super quick, almost instant. But the catch? You'll start with a very low limit, usually between 500 tree to 1,000. It grows only if you borrow and repay on time. So here's the honest verdict. For speed, go with Tala. For interest-free starting loans, try Zenka. And for credit building, use Hustler Fund, especially if you're planning for long-term use. I've added the official links for all 3 apps in the pinned comment below. Just click, install, and start testing for yourself. But move fast. Some of these bonus offers and free loan limits expire quickly. Link iko kwa pinned comment, hizi bonuses haziwezi last. Let me know in the comments which app worked fastest for you. This is a fastest experience in time. And if you want to start earning 1,000 KLAN daily from your phone, no loan needed, check out my next guide on Canva ChatGPT side hustles. Tap the pinned video or click right here before it's gone.